sibingelele sinamukele ke Phinapi la wethamele khona i1 KZN TV igama lami nguphiwe ngokwaMthembu njengoba sikhuluma nawe ke namhlanje sibizwe ke umnyango wezemvelo KZN Wildlife nokuyilapho khona ke lo mnyango usuke wenza ke inhlelo la khona ke ukhuluma ke nabasebenzi abasebenza ke ngaphansi kwawo uqwashisa nje ngento ke ethinta ke ukuhlukumeza ngokobulili kulapho sibheka khona izinto ezifana no gender based violence siyazi ke ukuthi uma ngabe sikhuluma ke nge gender based violence kulapho khona kuvela ukuthi ikakhulukazi noma okugqamile ukuthi ke abesifazane nezingane basuke behlukunyezwa ke abesilisa kodwa okuvelayo ukuthi ke cishe bonke abantu bayakuthola ke ukuhlukumezeka ngendlela ke ezahlukahlukene okufaka phakathi nabo ke abesilisa siyafisa ke ukuthi ngempela kulabo ke ezokhuluma nabo ke osukwini namhlanje bayihlahlele le ndaba sizwe nje ekakhulukazi ke iminxa ehlukene nazo ke inhlobo zokuhlukumeza eziba khona ke ngempela ke ekuphileni siyafisa ukuthi isikhulumeni nabayingxenye yalolu hlelo asibathole lapho sithi khona ke abakhulumi
mhlanje sihlangene la eSentlusha sizoqwashisa abasebenza nge-gender based violence through i-program esibiza ngo-sexual offences and related matters erana u-advocate Mkhwanazi from NPA simmemile u-advocate ukuthi azosisiza ukuthi azosiqwashisela abasebenzi azobatshela ngomthetho ofanele ukuthi abasebenzi bawazi nabo futhi bafundisele ngomthetho sifuna ukuthi bafundise nama-communities abo mayelana ne-gender based violence nokuthi i-Domestic Violence Act ithini i-sexual harassment emsebenzini ithini imphumela yayo uthini umthetho nge-sexual harassment those are izinto ekakhulu esibhekene nazo nanokuthi sibafundise ngokuhloniphana nanokuthi i-protection order isebenza kanjani yini protection order uyabona bese siphinda sibheke futhi nama-rights abo as parents ne-responsibility abo as parents and also as employees vezemvelo sibe nenhlanhla ukuthi organization ethi isivumele ukuthi senze le program is going to run. It's been running. This is the third one. We had one in Tseleni, which was very successful. Then we moved to Ehluhlwe Park Centenary Center. The attendance was very high. We had over 131 employees coming to commit to protecting our partners against gender-based violence. Now it's less inclusion. From here, Suzomovela Etidima Resort at Drakensberg, Nase made my training center. But the most important thing is we're teaching them on domestic violence. Ithini umthetho. Unama pamalungelo mangabe uthi uhlumezekile. Wena ohlukumezayo ke uthini umthetho ngawo. That's what this day is about.
Njengoba ngila kule program ye gender based violence ngibona kuyinto enhle kakhulu ukuthi kufundiswe abasebenzi mayelana ukuthi bazi ukuthi yini i gender based violence iqala phi igcinephi kuzosiza kakhulu ukuthi sifundise nasemakhaya nasemsebenzini esisebenza kuyo because iyona ayimile iyaqhubeka in the workplace even at home so yeah iyasiza kakhulu le program siyayithokozela ukuba khona kwayo
kakhulu ngithi ngibonge kubaphathi bethu bonke bezemvelo ukusizela nohlelo olunjenganalolu lokusivula ingqondo zethu ngezifundo esesitholile namhlanje ebesingisizazi kodwa nje mhlambe siyithatha kancane siyithathela phansi yo sexual harassment sorry siyabonga kakhulu engikutholile nje kakhulu iloko kokufunda ngokuhlalisana nje emsebenzini lapho esisebenza khona sihlala nabesifazane nabesilisa siyesiboneke mhlambe indlela ethile umunye ukuthi ugqoke ngalendlela mhlambe bese singakhulumi ngendlela eright but namhlanje sifundisiwe ukuthi mhlambe umuntu wesifazane engagqokanga mhlambe ubona wena ngesingakuthi ngathi kagqokanga kahle accuse nje mhlawumbe ungaba nethulo ukuthi hayi kodwa zakwethu ngathi awugqokanga kahle mawugqoke kanje yeah nanokuthi mhlambe leli thuba elivele la namhlanje kube kuyangami ngabe liyahamba liyovela nje nasemphakathini wasemakhaya sifundiswe ngokuhlalisana leli thuba njengalelingqa ezivele lihle kakhulu livula imiqondo yethu namhlanje kukhulu sikutholile namhlanje mali ngake liye nje emakhaya ethu sizohlalisana kahle nomama basemakhaya nezingane zethu sohlalisana kahle hayi ngobe ngubaba ukuthi nje mhlambe mina singondlovu kayiphikiswe ekhaya kubalekile ukuthi ke ngilalele nje izwi nokuhlonipha umndeni wami nezwi lengane zami nezwi likankosikazi.
Thina sinenhlanhla senzele organization that believes in protecting employees. Ama policies ethu akhuluma ngokuthi kubaleka ngani ukuthi wonke umuntu ufunda ama rights, and organization has a responsibility ukuthi enze sure abasebenzi bonke bakasemvelo ba safe. And thina as employee wellness department umsebenzi wethu ukuthi senze sure ukuthi siyabafundisa abasebenzi nabo ama interns ethu nama EMs soke bezongena kazemvelo. It doesn't matter ukuthi ukazemvelo 2 months or 3 months, it doesn't matter ukuthi ukazemvelo 2 years, so long as usebenzele organization wethu we have a duty to protect you and to educate you about your own rights. We don't tolerate abuse of power kazemvelo. We don't tolerate ulokhuzana ukusebenzisa iposition ezemvelo sekunika wona to ucindezela or ukuhlumeza abanye abantu. We say no to that. We educate wona ama interns mefika. We have induction program for them abefika ebafundisayo. Nathi siphinde futhi size eteshini sizobaqwashisa sibatsho ukuthi as much as bama interns they've got the same rights as the full-time employees abafanele ukuthi bathathe advantage of, bafanele bahlukumezeke just because bona bama interns. They've got the same rights. We are here to protect them the same way we protect the full-time employees. Yeah.
Sibonga kakhulu ithuba umqashi ezemvelo KZN Wildlife asiphelo namhlanje lokusilethela ulwazi. Kube sifunde kakhulu because ezinye izinto siyazenza singazi ukuthi usucindezela umunye umuntu noma usunyathela kwi-boundaries bengakumele ube unyathela kuyo, kodwa namhlanje sivuleke amehlo. Ayisisizina ukuthi singabantu abahlala ndawonye la emsebenzini lulwazi esikwazi ukuphuma siye nakulo emakhaya emphakathini, ikakhulukazi sihlala la emsebenzini ifamily zethu ingane zethu zihlala nomalume zihlala no-auntie zingane zabantomazana nabafana. Manje sizakwazi ukubuyela emuva siyokhuluma nazo ukuthi kade ukuthi nokuthi sizihlomisa ngolwazi ngoba thina sihlaza sikhona phakathi kwabo. Silibonga kakhulu lithuba khona sihlala nabantu abadala la emsebenzini ozibona sometimes abafuna ukuya ekhaya. Sesiyabona manje ukuthi kunenkinga ekhaya, mhlamba akazizwa kusekhaya elifudumele kunokuhlukumezeka mhlawumbe okukhona ekhaya. Sesiyabona ukuthi lento kungaba yinto mhlambi esingathi ingahamba yena kwimiphakathi esihlala kuyo, balulekwe ngalolu lwazi, baxhokiswe ngazo zonke ezinto thina sizitholile kule ndawo. Siyabonga kakhulu kumqashi, kube kukhulu sikufundile namhlanje. Siyabonga
mbukeli ke ngempela siyafisa ukuthi siphinde sibheke ke ezinye zezinto ethe zahlaluka noma ezithe zavela kulapho sibheka khona nje ukuthi ziba khona ke neindlela zokuhlukumeza la uthola khona ukuthi thina sishaya isifuba mhlambe ikakhulukazi ngento ethi angaze ngimshaye umuntu wesilisa kumbe angaze ngimshaye umuntu wesifazane engithandana naye, kodwa iqiniso lithi ke ngendlela eziningi ozenzayo usuke umhlukumeza, ungaba umhlukumeza ngokomoya noma ke umhlukumeze noma ngaziphi nje indlela esuke zingaphezulu noma zingaphandle kokuthi ke umbeke isandla nazo okusezindlela zokuhlukumeza. Siyafisa nje ukuthi isizwe nakulokho ikakhulukazi ke njengoba kwenzeka naseyindaweni nje uthola ukuthi izindawo ke esebenzela kuzona la uthola khona ukuthi mhlawumbe omunye ngenxa mhlambe yokuthi usenesikhathi eside wafika enkaphanini ethile ayisebenzelayo usebenzisa ke lawo mandla ukuhlukumeza ke abanye. Nakho lapho sikuthola ke uma sithi abakhulume.
Unfortunately, i-society yethu abantu abaningi bayiqhesha ngalokho bathi mina nkaze ngimshaya umuntu wesifazane, that more for gender based violence angihlangana nayo, which is not true. We all have a part in it. Somehow, some of us have participated directly or indirectly to gender based violence. Ukuhlukumeza umuntu wesifazane or wesilisa ngoba kahle gender based violence is not just for women, it's also for men. Men also ahlukumezeka. Ubona umuntu wesilisa ephuza utshwala uyitshela ukuthi wena ngoba edakwa. No, it's because uyahlukumezeka ekhaya. Because nina abantu besilisa you don't report to gender based violence because niyasaba ukuthi kuzothiwa ngindoda ngiyahluleka or abantu bazongihleka bazothi ngishaya umfazi. We don't report, so ama cases are underreported. Bese ngase thina nanihlukumezeka kanti uyido niyahlukumezeka. Thina abantu besifazane hlukumeza ngokukhuluma isikhathi esiningi. Nawo amadoda khona amadoda athi angamhlukumeza umuntu ngokumshaya kodwa amhlukumeza ngokukhuluma, umtshela ukuthi umuntu useless, umtshela ukuthi akalutho ngaphandle kwakho. Uyabona? So ke kunomthetho oprotectayo from such abuse. you have to go to report lokho uma ngabe uhlukumezekile ngoba abanye uzathi yazizinhle kungcono umuntu angishaye kunokuthi akhuluma amazi ahlabayo kumina uyabona so kubalekile ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi uwazi umthetho ufuna protection order yona nje into oqala esebenzayo uma umuntu ehlukumeza khona isection la ubhala khona usho ukuthi umuntu ukuhlukumeza verbally ukhuluma amazwi kama athi utshela icourt ukuthi ufuna ukuthi enze njani icourt yakubuza ufuna enze njani ufuna angabe sakhuluma lamagama awakhulumayo ngoba kuyicala ukuhlumeza umuntu ngokomphefumulo ngezenzo nangokukhuluma ngoba akube nje ugcina lapho ugcina umaffecta ngendlela acabangayo nane confidence yakhe nane futhi wesithi into ebhlungu nge-verbal abuse iyaphumela I receive it nami sengifundela ukuthi angilutho next time nami ngizobe sengitshela ingane yami kusasa ukuthi ayilutho because lento iyinkinga esibihlava esimbi esitshalwe kuthina mangabe esikhulu so uma ngabe umuntu o experience ilokho emotional abuse ngi advise ukuthi go for counseling kusiza ukuthi uprocess emotions zakho uhile from that so that you don't transfer lokho bekubiza ngakho nawe soqhamuka usubiza abanye where you've got a second esibiza secondary abuse to stop that yebo
asithi nje ku gender based violence actually sonke kufanele sithathe initiative part ukuthi siyayikhuluma uyayiveza mangabe ikhona ungathuli nayo isho ukuthi yini inkinga ekhona ukuze phela kutholakala isisombululo at the same time uyafundisa ngayo nasebantwaneni ukuze abantwana bahlale bazi ukuthi yini okulindelekile ukuthi kwenzeke empilweni nokungafanele kwenzeke because okunye kuukuthi asazi ukuthi lokho kufanele ngabe kuyenzeka okunye siyashintsha nendlela yokwenza eyayenzeka kudala khona izinto ezisahlukumeza ngokuthi umuntu nokuthi ushaya ingane ngoba ethi ekhaya sakhula kushawo kanti kulomhlaba esiphila kuwo onamalungelo nayo yonke lento nesystem yokuphila nje ayisafani nakuqala so akufanele khombisa ukuthi manje sesizabantu aba unique from those from ama-centuries back then yeah.
Mbukeli ke ngempela ke okungapheli kuyahlola siliguqisa kanjalo ke uhlelo besithi abakhulume samsana ke nomnyango wezemvelo KZN Wildlife nokuyilapho khona ke kuzanywa ngayo yonke indlela ukulwa ke nesihlava sokuhlukumeza ngokobulili. Igama lami nguphiwe ngwakwamthembu uncede inyoni encane yasha amaphikanezi ngivumeleni ngiguqe siguqeni sonke siyothi sukuma kube kusolusayo inkosi inibusise.